Life cycle assessment is also known as life cycle analysis. It is a method used to quantify the environmental impacts associated with the entire life cycle of a product, process, or service. The tool requires the recording of every stage of the product's life, including raw material extraction, manufacturing and processing, distribution and logistics, usage and retail, and water disposal. Each of these stages can have various environmental implications. LCA allows for the evaluation of environmental impacts at any specific life cycle stage, starting from the initial to the final stage. Cradle to grave is a concept where cradle being the inception of the product with the sourcing of the raw materials and grave being the disposal of the product. Cradle to gate only assesses a product until it leaves the factory gates before it is transported to the customer. Cradle to gate assessments are often used for environmental product declarations. Cradle to cradle is a concept often referred to within the circular economy. It is a variation of cradle to grave by exchanging the waste stage with a recycling process that makes the product reusable for another product and essentially closing the loop. This is why it is referred to as closed-loop recycling. While green marketing is a strategic process involving stakeholder assessment to create long-term relationships with customers while maintaining, supporting, and enhancing the natural environment, greenwashing, on the other hand, occurs when a company or organization spends more time and money claiming to be green through advertising, marketing, and other PR activities. These organizations have no concrete evidence showing relevant business practices are taken to minimize adverse environmental and social impacts. As a result, these marketing and PR efforts try to mislead consumers into thinking a product or service is more environmentally friendly than what really is. Environmental PR is when you talk a lot about what you are doing to the environment. Over the last 60 years, there has been an unprecedented increase in awareness and transparency of the environmental footprint of a business. One way to find whether companies are trying to greenwash their operation is check whether they spend more money talking about something than doing it. If that is the case, there is a high chance of greenwashing. Most energy businesses claim they make commitment in turning to more renewable form of energy. But researchers discovered most of the future investment cash still goes into fossil fuel operations and infrastructure. As a result, the magnitude of these investments do not match with their actions or commitments, and environmental PR becomes a mere greenwashing scam. Scholar Richardson suggests companies should adopt different communication and promotion approaches to build customer loyalty based on their sustainability preferences. Eco-warriors are customers who are wholly committed to a green lifestyle. They distrust marketer-dominated communications. Therefore, companies should use testimonials from real green customers or any independent third-party information or credible celebrities as their major communication medium. Highly pro-social and pro-equal customers would expect a depth of information involving all aspects of the product or service, and would be willing to join any online communities where they can express their independent views. Sustainable stakeholders advocates of brands that reinvest profits in all three aspects. They also influence others to adopt sustainable practices.